Hey friends, so welcome back. As you know, we were creating slideshow in the previous class. So let us work on the stop function. So what I will be doing in clear interval, I will be clearing this variable which I have set the interval. So I'm going to clear this. So clear interval. So then it should clear the interval. Now I need to call these functions. So auto and stop. So here is my stop function. Sorry, and here is auto function. Okay, so if you see this now, I think all my functions are ready and they should work. So let me check it now, save it and try to see the preview. So see the preview. So if you press next, you are getting next image, pressing next, working good. So periodically you are getting the output in the cycle. Okay, so what about the slideshow? See, it is working. After every 1 second the new image is projected. So if you want to stop this, just press this stop button. You see the picture is stopped. If you want to go to previous, so you see this is the previous picture, it is showing you. So I think everything is working good here. So thanks for watching this video. Have a good day and see you in the next class. Welcome friends. In today's class we are going to create a slideshow with the help of JavaScript and HTML. So what is slideshow? Basically slideshow means the set of pictures which are projected periodically. So this is similar to what we do with the help of PowerPoint. So we will try to create the same slideshow. A set of pictures will be there. We will try to display them after a particular interval of time. So what we need to do, we need to have some pictures in the current directory. So let me open this. So I want to show you, have created a directory video. So let me see where the directory is. This is a video directory, and inside this we have some pictures here. I have already downloaded it, so I will request you to download some pictures so that you could see, and be careful about the extensions also. So what are their extensions? So we have to use it. So how to create? So let's slideshow. So let me save it. I want to save it in the same directory. So C and go to V. So you can just write, I'm writing slideshow, slide.html. Save it now, and again the basic HTML page. So closing of HTML, then you have head section, and then this, and then you have body section, and then you have body. So what I'm going to do here in the body section, I'm going to take image. Its source is, I'm just writing 1.jpg, and I need to give it some name. So I'm giving name as image, and then br. And after that I want to create either you can create the links or you can create the buttons, whatever you prefer. So in this case I want to create button on click. It should have some function here. So I want to create button for next. That means if I click on this button next, it should open the next image, and then I can have button and on click equal to, then again I should have some function here. Let me write it auto, or you can write it like slideshow, whatever. So if you want slideshow, you can just write slideshow button. So close this. Third button you can take on click again equal to, we are going to write some function here. I want to stop slideshow at any time, so there should be a button for that too. And let me have the button for previous also. So again this and previous. So button. So I think we have created the button. So just want to see the preview how it look like. So that looks fine for me right now. So I have an image, and this is the next. So if I click on it, so show me the next image. If I slide show me the slides, top and previous. So that looks fine. Now only thing that I want to do, maybe I will create some style here that will help me. So I'm creating style, type equal to text CSS, and then style, closing of style. Inside this I will create style for image. So I will just write image. The style for images, height is say 300 pixel, or let me take 500 pixel. I don't know how the image will look like, but I will try to. So width is 500 pixel too, and then I can have some border. So I'm saying 5 pixel solid red. So I want to see how my image is looking now. So better, the only thing I need to do is I need to create some margins here. So let me create the margin for button. So button, and I will create margin is say 10 pixel. Let me see. So probably what I can do here 0, and then instead of this I will do here 20 pixel. So or I can do here 10, so that this looks okay now. Only thing is maybe I can move a bit. So instead of 20 I will write 25 pixel here. Yeah, so that looks fine now. Whenever we take this margin, the first number that indicates your top and bottom margins, whereas the second number that indicates your left and right margins. So you can see accordingly we have set it. So these were the main things, main buttons, or you can call it an interface that we have created. Now if I click on next, it should show me the next, and if I want to click on previous, it should do accordingly. Now come to the main part of this program. So that's your JavaScript. So script type equal to Java, it is text obliques JavaScript, and then we are going to close this script. If you see here, yeah, so this is the script area, and then we have to create the slideshow. So what I will do, I will take some global variable here. So variable, I will take first variable as image, and this will be the array, and inside the array I will take the elements here. So this is 1.jpg, then 2.png, then we'll just copy this. It will help me to do fast, so Control C, Control V, let us see. So this is 3, and in my case 4 is jpg, so I will be writing for 4 jpg. 5 is again png, this is 6 is png, and 7 is again jpg. This is different, but this is how my images are organized in the directory. So okay, so this is the array we have created. Now I will create my first function, and that I'm writing it as slide, and it will take one argument. I'm writing here num, and this is for slide. So say I'm going to do it for the next. So whenever I'm calling next, I will call this slide with, I want that it should start with the number 1, and when I start with previous slide, it should be -1. So I will show you the why we are taking 1 and -1. So 1, basically it's very simple. I want to start from the very first element, so I'm taking 1 here because in the logic I will be using it. So I will also take a global variable here, image number. So initially it is 0, image number is 0. So I will say here image number equal to image number plus num. Okay, and then I will say variable length equal to, I want to say the length of the array, so I will say image dot length -1. Why I'm taking -1? Because the number of elements, the indexing of the elements in an array is always starting from 0. So the maximum number that is returned by this length, if it is 6, that means there are 7 elements, because 6 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let us see now. Now if image number is greater than length, then what we will do? Else what we will do? So we will talk about that. So if image number is greater than length, it means what? That we have seen all the images, so our image number should reset to 0. And if image number is less than length, if image number is less than length, maybe if it is less than 0. So image number less than 0 means what? That we have reached to our first image. So what we will do? Periodically we will go to the next image. So next image will be the last image in the cycle. So I will write image number equal to length, and after that I will just write document dot im. You see, this is the name I have given. This is the name I have given. So im dot src equal to image and then image number. So that particular image will be reflected, and we are done with one function. Second is I'm going to write function auto. auto means for the slideshow. So you can write any, you can give any name. So I'm writing here auto means automatically it should do it. So in this case, now what happens, you want to call your function periodically. So we have a function in JavaScript, and that is called set interval. Set interval, the first argument is which function you wanna call. So I wanna call slide by passing value 1, and what is the frequency. So I'm saying after every 1 second. 1000 millisecond means 1 second. I'm going to set this interval. So what I will do, I will take a variable, again a global variable here, and I will call it interval, and whatever value I'm setting here, I am assigning it to interval because I need it later. So interval, okay, so it will keep on running this program, and then I will write here for the slideshow, I will write auto. Makes sense? So after this we have stop function, so I'm writing that function stop. I'm writing stop, and then this is very simple to do. So only thing you need to write is clear interval. And hey friends, so welcome back. As you know, we were creating slideshow in the previous class, so let us work on the stop function. So what I will be doing, in clear interval I will be clearing this variable which I have set the interval. So I'm going to clear this. So clear interval, so then it should clear the interval. Now I need to call these functions, so auto and stop. So here is my stop function. Sorry, and here is auto function. Okay, so if you see this now, I think all my functions are ready and they should work. So let me check it now, save it and try to see the preview. So see the preview. So if you press next, you are getting next image, pressing next, working good. So periodically you are getting the output in the cycle. Okay, so what about the slideshow? See, it is working. After every 1 second the new image is projected. So if you want to stop this, just press this stop button. You see the picture is stopped. If you want to go to previous, so you see this is the previous picture, it is showing you. So I think everything is working good here. So thanks for watching this video. Have a good day and see you in the next class.